Are you wondering whether ClickFunnels or Thrive Architect is the best landing page software? In this video, we'll compare these two popular tools and help you decide which one is right for your business. Stay tuned, because we'll also reveal a secret alternative that could be a game changer for your landing pages. First up, let's talk about ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is known for being a comprehensive sales funnel builder that allows you to create landing pages, sales pages, and entire funnels all in one platform. It's popular for its ease of use and the drag and drop functionality, making it beginner friendly. However, this simplicity comes at a price. ClickFunnels can get pretty expensive, with its basic plan starting at around $127 a month. For that price, you get the landing page builder, but you're also paying for features you might not use if you only want a landing page. Next thing, Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect is a WordPress plugin that gives you full control over your landing pages without the steep monthly fees. It's a one-time purchase, with the cost coming in at $97 for a single site. Thrive Architect's major advantage is its integration with WordPress, which gives you access to a huge range of themes, plugins, and other WordPress features. If you're already using WordPress, this could be an easy way to improve your landing pages without jumping into a whole new platform. However, it's not as beginner-friendly as ClickFunnels, and you'll need to be comfortable working within the WordPress environment. The third thing to consider is design flexibility. ClickFunnels offers some great templates, but the customization is somewhat limited when compared to Thrive Architect, which gives you a lot more design freedom. Thrive Architect lets you build your pages from scratch or use its pre-made templates, with more advanced features like custom CSS and integrations with other WordPress tools. Now, let's talk about integrations. ClickFunnels has a lot of built-in features, so you don't need many integrations. That said, you may find yourself paying for additional tools like email marketing or payment processing, which can add up. Thrive Architect, on the other hand, integrates seamlessly with most major email marketing platforms, CRMs, and other tools, making it more flexible if you already have a stack of tools you're using. The next thing is speed and performance. Thrive Architect tends to have an edge here. Since it works directly on your WordPress site, your pages are hosted on your own server, and this can lead to faster load times and better SEO performance. With ClickFunnels, you're relying on their servers, and depending on where their servers are located, you might experience slower speeds and performance issues. But here's the kicker. If you're looking for a solution that combines ease of use, flexibility, and a better price point, there's an alternative you should know about. After trying both ClickFunnels and Thrive Architect myself, I can tell you there's a better tool for building landing pages that gives you everything you need without the frustrations. That's why, if you're serious about building effective landing pages with the best possible trial benefits, you should click the first link in the description. Through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial available, along with special perks you won't find anywhere else. So, in conclusion, both ClickFunnels and Thrive Architect are great tools, but for the price, the customization, and the flexibility you need, I highly recommend giving the alternative a try. Take advantage of the free trial through our link and start creating landing pages that actually convert.